Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's vlog would be all about traveling and having fun. So let's get started. So guys, our first destination is this beautiful place which is known as the Rafisah Dam. And this place is fully covered in nature. And there are so many mountains and a beautiful dam in between nature and mountains. And guys, there is also a walking track here so that people can walk here and enjoy the view of the mountains and this Rafisah Dam. And now let me give you a small view of this whole place. So guys, the view from here is very fascinating, so that's why we came here so that we could show you that how beautiful is this Rafisah Dam. And as you can see, there are boats and mountains and this beautiful dam in between, and the sky is very beautiful. And guys, this is our second destination, the Khor Fakkan waterfall. Now let me give you a quick view of this beautiful waterfall. So guys, I hope you like this vlog, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I will meet you in my next vlog. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.